Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the I10's electrical system to ACC or on so the head unit is active. This matters because Bluetooth only becomes visible when the radio is powered. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable so the car can find it. Press the car's Setup or Phone button to open the Bluetooth menu. Once done, choose Pair New Device or Add Phone. You're starting pairing now so the car and phone exchange names and PIN codes. Once the phone appears on the I10 display, select it. This tells the head unit to initiate a secure connection. You'll see a PIN on both the display and your phone. Confirm they match, then accept or confirm on both sides. This step prevents accidental connections. After pairing, grant permissions for contacts and media so calls and music work correctly. If you want automatic reconnect, make sure the phone is set to allow trusted device reconnect. This makes future use seamless. Finish by testing a call and playing audio so you confirm both microphone and speaker routing are correct. Make sure the head unit's audio source is set to Bluetooth. If pairing fails, delete any previous pairings on both the I10 and your phone and repeat the process. This clears stale entries that block new connections. Also, check for phone OS updates and car infotainment firmware. Once updated, retry pairing, because software mismatches often cause persistent connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.